Good afternoon, Luke from Steve White Motors. I'm standing in front of a brand new 2023 Challenger RT, and we've removed the turtle shell and we're getting ready to install the half covers. And I was going to give you a quick kind of what we do to install them. Literally, you can install these in about 5 minutes. Super easy. Almost everything 15 to 23 is going to be the same. So what I'm going to do is I've already prepped these and I've already cut them. But the two things that we do is we put a tie strap around this little gizmo right here. We unhook it from where it sits on this bracket, and then we put it just below it, and then we put a tie strap on it to locate it and secure it. Again, we do the same thing on the other side with this hose. Basically, all we're trying to do is change the angle of this hose a little bit. We put a tie wrap on it, squeeze it down, and we're ready to go. On the driver's side, we don't do any modifications to the cover, okay? The cover simply goes on, move it a little bit forward, snap it in, it's done. On the passenger side, what you'll have to do is take the top of this cover right here and trim it just a little bit so that you've got some clearance over the top of this hose. Again, that's the only thing you do to it. And again, same scenario. Make sure I line it up. And they're installed. That easy. All you need basically, it's going to be a couple of tie wraps and maybe a Dremel tool or some kind of little cutoff tool to cut the plastic. It's really easy to cut it. And then normally what I do is I trim it with like a razor blade or a sharp knife. Super easy. Most of the time here, it takes us about 3, 4, 5 minutes to install them. Again, Luke from Steve White Motors.